Hey, hello guys, welcome to Wikivox channel where the search for the truth begins. So, today's topic is Kerala 2 tragedies. Where is our humanity? We don't know how much of you will accept this statement. We are all changing into psychos. We mean we are losing our humanity. You will understand the full meaning of this statement once you have completed watching this video. We think that we will never ever forget this year 2020 for a long time now. Whether it's natural disasters, accidents, virus deaths, it has devastated the world to its core. People's lives are affected. This year has been hell on earth. Considering India, China is knocking on our doors with a domination site. Pakistan is ready to tear us apart with terrorism. Nepal, on the other hand, is supporting China. Then comes the EIA Draft 2020. Please remember, you have only 2 days left to send your mails. Then, police brutality news during lockdown. Unemployment is high. We can't go out anywhere due to lockdown and the fear of contracting the coronavirus. Even if it's a marriage function or a funeral, we are scared to visit our families. We have already heard a lot of tragic news this year. Yet the sad news is still coming. But after the accidents, the way the media is publishing this news has forced us to create this video. 2 tragedies happened in Kerala. In one tragedy, nearly 35 houses have gone beneath the earth. Nearly 50 to 60 people are buried alive through a natural disaster. There is another tragedy which is portrayed as an accident. An Air India flight, when trying to land on the Kozhikode airport runway, met with an accident. More than 20 people may be dead. Where does the psychoism come in these 2 news? The Tamil political parties which say that they will do good for the Tamil people. What are these political parties going to do now? We should ask this question now. Will there be an answer? The first tragedy is from the Idukki district, which is in Kerala. Rain will keep on pouring throughout the year in this district. The people who are in the region, the maximum population are the Tamil people. These people work in the tea estates in the region. These people are residing in the area for over 50 to 60 years. So, the owners of these tea estates build houses for the workers who work in their tea estates. What is the structure of these houses? They are built as lines shown in the video. Nearly 10 to 12 houses will be built in a line structure. It will be a single structure. This single structure, which has 10 to 12 houses, will have sheets on top of it. These sheets are asbestos sheets. A single wall will separate the houses. So if you speak in your house, it will be heard by the people who live next to you. The house consists of a veranda and a bedroom. There may be a kitchen. The bathrooms and toilets are commonly used by the residents of the 10 houses. The advanced housing systems in tea estates have own private toilets and bathrooms. But the floor of these houses are dung floor. On the top, they could have another layer of plastic to withstand the cold. So these lines will be in layers. So one line may have 10 houses and there may be up to 4 layers. So totally there may be 40 to 50 houses. These 4 layers which had 10 houses are now buried beneath the earth because of the landslide. We still don't know what happened to the residents of the houses. This landslide happened on Friday 7th August 2020 early morning 5 am. So the Kerala media covers the story. But sadly and mysteriously, the Tamil media didn't cover this tragedy. But the people who died in this landslide are the Tamil people. Nearly 23 people have lost their lives. More than 50 are still missing. Majority of the people are from the Thoothukudi district from Tamil Nadu. Their relatives are on their way to Kerala now. Did the Tamil media cover this news? Did the Tamil politicians speak about this tragedy? Will the Tamil political parties speak only for people living in Tamil Nadu? Will these political parties speak for the Tamils who live around the world? We don't know what is happening with these political parties in Tamil Nadu, but we would like to inform you about this tragedy. Next comes bringing in Indians from Dubai to Kozhikode airport. So the Indian people who were suffering in Dubai were brought into our country and killed, and now they are calling it as an accident. The authorities knew about the airport, runway and the climate. The two pilots, one among them, had more than 30 years of experience. He was an important pilot in the Indian Air Force. He has received many awards from the Air Force. He was a decorated pilot. His name was Deepak Vasant Seth and his co-pilot was Akhilesh Kumar. So, Deep is a very experienced pilot. Before the crash, it was raining and the climate conditions were worse. The runway was not visible to the two pilots who tried to land the plane 2 times. So using the go-around method, the flight came back to the land for the 3rd time. The 3rd time, the tragedy happened. So the flight has to land and run some distance and come to a halt. The rain was pouring down and the runway was slippery. 1 year ago, there was a warning given to the airport authorities that the airport has high rubber content. They were also warned that flights may slip from the runway. All these are officially released news. So due to the rain and slippery surface, the flight was unable to stop. It crossed the buffer zone and fell into the 35-feet crater. The plane had 190 on board. The crash has led to 18 deaths, which include 4 children and 2 pilots and 9 passengers. The others are injured and receiving treatments in hospitals. The Kerala government has announced Rs 10 lakh compensation for families. Saddest news apart from the 4 children dead is the co-pilot Akhilesh was 15 days away from becoming a father. 15 people didn't have any work and returned home to find jobs. 2 people have come for their weddings. Nearly 10 people have come for medical emergencies. The remaining people just wanted to come back to their country because they didn't want to live and die in another country due to coronavirus. One among the dead has messaged in his Facebook that he is returning to his homeland. Sadly, his body has only returned to his homeland. So, 2 reasons. Natural disaster, and can we call this as an accident? There have been many warnings and nearly 6 accidents before this accident. This is not a tragedy, this is carelessness. This carelessness is in the spotlight by the Indian media. But the Tamil people in the tea estates who lost their lives and are buried beneath the earth, yet the Indian media doesn't want to cover the story. What could be the reason? This is why we asked in the start of the video. Are we losing our humanity? Because the accident or incident should have cruel, severe or gory details to become viral by these Indian media. If it is a very cruel or severe case, we will ask for justice. The gory details will make the celebrities speak about the accident or incident. If there is no cruelty or severity to the accident or incident, then there is no value or spotlight for the lives lost. There will be no voice for the dead. This is the fact and the truth. If the landslide accident had gory details like a hand appearing on top of the sand or a hand or a leg visible from the ground, then the media should have shown us live coverage. But now there is nothing to show people because they can only show us the sand which has covered the people. So the media will not go live coverage and there will be no audience to see it. But the dead will remain dead. The flight, on the other hand, rich to middle class people accident. Celebrities like Virat Kohli are giving their condolences. Many media will be live now. Many news and information will come out now. Simulations of the crash will be shown. So understand one thing, the deaths of poor people and people who didn't die cruelly or severely will not be mentioned in the media. Many of us have lost our humanity by continuously listening to these details from the media. These are the people who read severe and cruel news. Let me ask a question. Who among you has not seen a WhatsApp video where people who got into accidents are recorded as videos and shared in WhatsApp groups? Please do comment if you have not seen such videos. People read the details of the cruelty and imagine the cruelty which has happened from the media. So the cruelty in your hearts will determine whether the news will become viral or not. Now tell us, are we losing our humanity by listening to the media? The newspapers are one step higher when they give us this kind of news. If you want proof, take any paper. Read today's newspapers. There will be a very detailed and cruel, gory details in the paper. Maybe for a murder case. But many of us will ignore that news, but many will read it. There are so many Tamil politicians and Tamil parties in Tamil Nadu. We believe that the political parties will lend a hand to the dead people's families by helping them with funds from 1 to 10 lakhs for the landslide accident which happened in Idukki district, Kerala. Nearly 30 families are buried alive. We should help the families of the dead. Let's see what the political parties will do. Comments about this video are most welcome. Please do share and subscribe for more content to WikiVox, the voice of Wiki. Please click on the notification icon. Nandri, Vanakkam.